Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a neat little 1964 Ford Falcon Futura. Nice little car. A buddy of mine, John, down in Tennessee, is the one who actually found me this car. An older man had this car. He actually recently had this car restored. This is actually newer paint. You'll see it's got brand new exhaust. I mean, he just had the car gone through, tuned up, new carburetor put on it. I think it's something he said he's owned for quite a long time, and it's just a good car. Guys, if you're looking for a good, solid, straight driver, I think you're really gonna like the car. Only thing I did, I put brand new, those are brand new 15-inch chrome Magnum 500s on it. He had the chrome reversed on it, which I'm not a fan of. But really nice car. This is actually the factory color, Dynasty green metallic, which is a very cool color on the car. Really fits the car, I like it. Car runs and dries out real good. It's got the original 260 V8 engine in it, original Fordomatic trans. They've added air conditioning, air blows cold. I said it just went through the brakes, all new shocks. And it is a Futura, 63B, I think is the code. Pretty paint. Like I say, just a good car, very original underneath. You know, nobody's gotten under there and undercoated or anything like that. Most of this chrome and stainless is actually original. Like I say, you can pick at it a little bit, but still just a good car. That's exactly how I would describe this. Just a good, honest car. There is a ton of parts that go with it. I think he's got seat belts. I don't know. He put new door rubbers on it. But he's got a bunch of extra parts. I think seat belts. Can't tell you everything he's put on this car, but he's got like doubles. Chrome mirrors. You can see the stainless around the windows are nice. Glass is nice. All the windows roll up and down nice. Good little car. If the guy's looking for a fun cruiser, I think you're really gonna like the car. I did get the pictures done outside. Had a little snow on it while it was out there, but it's just too cold and too slippery to be shooting videos outside right now. Love these tail lights. Tail panels in great shape. Car shows 96,000, which is supposed to be the right miles. I don't know the miles since he's had it redone, guys. You might be able to find that out, but I bet you it's not much. I mean, the exhaust looks brand new. You can see it sits good, nice and straight down the sides. Nice set of chrome tips on there. I love the taillights on these cars. I've always been a fan of these cars. I think this is a great body style. And I think they're a bargain. I think you get a lot of car for the money. You can tell this is nice. Like I say, wheels are brand new. He had a set of chrome reversed on there. I'm not a fan of those. I like the Magnums. Again, original 260 V8. Pretty much just like it would have came under here. He put a brand new carb on it, 2-barrel. You can see they've just had it all tuned up. Chrome air cleaner. It's got the stock valve covers. Again, they've added air conditioning, air blows cold. VIN is here. It's got the original Fordomatic trans. Again, shocks are new. He's got extra shocks in the trunk. I mean, and I hate shooting them inside. You just don't get a great peek at them. But like I say, I'm trying to do all the pictures outside. I showed you under here. But until my hip's better and Mother Nature can help us out, This is the best we got for you guys. Bunch of new stuff coming. Little ding in your chrome right there. You see the building's full. I've got even more coming, so make sure you're keeping track of that website. And we're encouraging everybody that definitely new mirrors. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome. I bet you this has been a doggone nice car, you know. It's just been loved. Somebody's kept this car nice. But we do have we're really telling people to make sure you're keeping track of our website. Looking at our stuff on our website. There's your original door tag. You can see how nice and clean the door seams are. Like I say, he's put new door rubbers on. I think there's extras in there as well. You could definitely replace that if you wanted to. Factory bench seat car, brand new wood steering wheel. I've got new floor mats coming for it. Those are the original sill plates. You see how clean it is in the jams? Head monitor looks good. Showing 96,000. I don't know if you're going to be able to read that. Factory dash. He's put a Audiosounds radio in it, and it's got Bluetooth, which is pretty cool. Like I say, new mats are on the way. Factory Fordomatic automatic transmission. Stock 325 rear axle. Again, new dual exhaust. And as you can, I mean, like I say, when you walk around this car, it's just a good straight old car. And all these parts, I haven't inventoried them, guys. They're all just going with the car. Like I say, he's got new rubbers. I'm not even sure what those are. All kinds of extra parts here. There's brand new seat belts in it for it. I didn't even look in this box, but all this stuff's just gonna go with it, guys. Extra shocks. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, very original underneath. It's not, you know, it's basically raw. Because, you know, didn't undercoat it or anything like that. And yeah, we're kind of stressing to everybody, make sure you're going on our website to look at the cars. Bunch of scams all over TikTok, YouTube. Make sure you're on southernmotors.com when you're looking at a car. They like to take older videos because I don't take them down for a customer's sake. So that I started doing that, I don't even know how long ago. I started just leaving the videos up instead of taking them down. And they're taking our old videos and posting them, and then people are trying to track us down, calling us, looking for a car that we sold 10 years ago. Really nice 8-pillar chrome. Yeah, just stock 260. So you just kick your air on, air blows cold. It's just a good car, good straight car. Drives out good. I just like these cars. I love the body style. Like I said, I think they're a real bargain. I think you get a lot of car for the money. Really, there's just a fuel gauge in there. There's not much for gauges. Stuff works. Love the taillights. Good sound. And then the radio, I know it works. And again, you got the aftermarket blower in there. That's actually for your AC. Wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.